afraid of changing, afraid to lose who I had been. But transformation doesn't ask permission. It breaks you open from within. Every ending rewrote my reflection. Every loss rearranged my soul, until I'd barely recognize the person standing in the mirror anymore. This is the sound of becoming, of breaking apart and returning alive. Every wound, every loss, every scar brought us closer to who we are. And maybe the pain was never punishment. Maybe it was the doorway to truth. This is the sound of becoming. This is the birth of something new. Now I understand why storms exist, why hearts collapse and worlds reset. Some things have to fall completely apart before they become infinite. Listen closely. Even the universe transforms. Nothing living stays the same forever.